All right, good luck. Okay, here we go. This is going to be the cross test, and today we are racing a Michigan Sprint Enduro at the Muskegon Motorcycle Club, which I'll just say it right now, there is nobody that lays out a better race course for hare scrambles or like tests when you're talking about sprint enduros like today. Bar none, nobody lays out a better course. So anyways, this course is 3.5 miles of pretty much just epic flow. This is exactly what you want, or what all people want, you know, when you're thinking of a cross test. A cross test is supposed to be a good, fast test where the guys that really like to let it hang out can do their thing. And even though I can't, you'll see in a minute, once we get out of this little section of woods, it opens up into some grass track, and then they incorporated their whole moto track, and then you get another little section of woods at the end. But for the most part, this whole test was really fast and flowy. That little crash that you've seen in the opening, that was actually on this test, and for some reason I really struggled today on this test. I could not keep my bike upright. Now the enduro test was a whole nother story. I can't wait to show you guys the enduro test, because that was probably the best single track I've ever ridden in my life, like anywhere. But anyways, this cross test, as I said, 3.5 miles. We got really lucky and had a little bit of rain Friday night, and then I guess Saturday night they had like 3 hours of, I think I was told, like solid rain. Because I actually rode at this club, probably 3 weeks ago, and it was, you couldn't even follow anybody, it was so dry. And as you can see right now, you know, the dirt is perfect loam, so we really lucked out. It was actually in the low 80s, so the temperature was really good, and yeah, all in all, it was a really good day. So yeah, I just want to give a shout out to Logan Densmore, which runs the Michigan Sprint Enduros. A huge shout out to Muskegon Motorcycle Club and all their members for hosting this and all the hard work they put in. I'm telling you guys, you're not going to race like a better venue in Michigan. You're just not. So anyways, not sure. Okay, this is on my timeline. This is about 11 minutes and 32 seconds worth of footage. As I said, the cross test was pretty short, 3.5 miles, and so I'll just let you guys watch the rest of this. And oh, I cannot wait for you guys to see the enduro, which I will start working on after I get done with this video. But just a little, well, not sneak peek, but what's coming for the enduro. You're talking about the most epic terrain, up, down, off camber, tight single track, you name it. So yeah, if you like this footage, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you guys stick around and go watch the enduro test too, because like I said, that's one you can't miss. So alright guys, thanks for watching.
was a slippery ass route.